Hello, my name is Brian Reimels. I'm a physician at the Berks County VA Clinic, located at 2762 Century Boulevard in Wyomissing, and it's my great privilege to serve our nation's heroes, the veterans of South Central Pennsylvania. Our clinic serves eligible veterans by providing free or low-cost health care. Services we have at the clinic include primary care medicine, specialty services like dermatology, behavioral health, and physical therapy, just to name a few. With COVID-19, we are also offering telehealth appointments using the phone or VA Video Connect. This facility is part of the Lebanon VA Medical Center, which is part of the Veterans Health Administration, America's largest integrated healthcare system. Lebanon VA Medical Center has 5 outpatient clinics, including this one, and the main hospital located in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. If you are a veteran interested in VA healthcare, please call our enrollment office at 717-272-6621, extension 6000, and someone will assist you.